few of us down at Rother Valley Country Park this morning. So you've got a couple of antennas up already. Not certain what bands are actually on, but we'll find out. What are you set up for, Paul?
At the moment, I'm just on HF with the G90 radio.
Okay,
so that's the G90. I brought the CW key as well. And in case we're going to decent contacts, I've got a little dictaphone. And just here on this little case I've got for it, there's a parameter. If you lean over, you'll see. So if I press that, it tells you the state of the battery.
All right.
And I've got a 12 amp hour battery in the bottom, made up of the 18650s. So that's in the bottom of the case. There's a 12 or 13.8 volt input there, which I can charge the radio up if I need to from this power bank. That also carries power delivery plus standard USB and USB-C and 240 volts and a cigarette lighter output as well, so we can power a number of different radios with that, and that plugs in here. And the beauty of this is I can put it onto temperature, which has got a built-in fan and a temperature sensor, so if it gets too warm it automatically vents, or I can manually vent it by turning it on here. And the opposite side of this case is a ground lug, so I can run a separate counterpoise off if I need to. And also over here we've got inputs for CW, so I can use that key there. That's a World War II key that's down there. And over to the left hand side you'll see that the coax feed runs into this just over there. It runs into a little coil at the bottom. It takes it down to ground and the counterpoise runs off on the left hand side, and on there there's a whip about 17 foot long, and that'll work quite nicely down to 20 metres.
Counterpoise. This is M0 ONI. Gary, what are you running today, Gary?
I'm running FT8 on a little G106 at 5 watts. I think the band's just moved because I was getting Belgium and Netherlands, and now I'm getting into Spain and Germany, so band's shifted a bit.
Better speak to me in Spanish then, the ones you can, the bit you don't.
You don't speak on FT8.
Oh no, of course you don't,
FT8.
yeah, forget, yeah. Oh, they're always telling me, oh, that's not a conversation, that's not real radio. If it gets the contact, mate, it's enjoyable.
I've got this little antenna up that I was gifted at Christmas as a secret Santa, and I'm seeing how far it can get, and FT8's brilliant for that. Go on PSK Reporter, see where you've been picked up, see if it's
a lot of people
out.
look at FT8 and say, oh, it's digital, it's crap, but the fact is it was designed, wasn't it, originally to test your antenna.
And that's exactly what I'm using it for.
Exactly, yeah.
And it's definitely working because I'm getting out.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you,
Good
Gary.
turnout today, I'm impressed.
Yes. Again, it's getting out and being involved.
Yep,
you know, it's okay people saying, oh, the hobby's dying. It's not dying at all. People come out and do this.
Yeah, Roger, I'm about halfway between Hillsborough Corner and Walkley. It's on the lens. You may know it or you may not. But your audio's perfect and your signal's strong.
Nice one, yeah, I'm just running medium power, which is about, I think it's 10 watts on this radio. I'll just try it on low, just let me just knock it down to 5, just see if I can get in. I'm just using the little antenna up there.
Roger, no problem. I've got a bass unit, an Anytone dual bander, and I have the same kind of selectable outputs, and really as long as you're accessing the repeater, then it just does its job of forwarding your signal 25 watts.
Yeah, Roger, just check that I'm getting in M0 Kilo Fox Yankee 2E0 YDO /P.
Yeah, Roger. I'm just
PBM pushback mobile, 5
yeah,
watts.
Roger, absolutely perfect.
Exactly.
No problem whatsoever.
Yeah, Roger, I'm pleased with myself because I've made a portable dipole for 2s and 70s. It's not great for getting out on 2 metres down at or 70s down in Rother Valley Country
The
Park.
official point from you.
It's like a valley, isn't it? And it's at it's quite low, and so we have trouble getting out.
That's a point.
So we've got some guys. There's quite a few of us. There's some guys running HF. There's one guy doing FT8. Another guy's turned up with his on an ATAS, very nice ATAS.
59242 242.
Yes, thank you. I think you got the call sign wrong. It's a Delta Lima number 6, a Fox kilowatt radio.
Charlie, Romeo 34 Charlie, in workshop, North Nottinghamshire. Golf 4 Charlie, Romeo Echo operating horizontal polarized.
few heads turning. We just had Ranger Paul saying, what's all this about then? So, yeah, we're not tricky yet. So.
Give it time, give it time.
Thanks for the contact. 2E0YDO portable. That's the 2 meters working.
Now one of them big questions, them daft questions that seem silly balls. Alright, I'll catch you further down, and regards to everybody around you that's having fun. M0TWSQRT at frequency.
Yeah, 73's Trevor, catch you further down, 2E0YDO. Just going back to 145 500 listening for any CQ calls while setting up an HF antenna. 73.
Well, we've got a break, Martin. Would you explain what you've actually done with this, mate, so we can put it on the video for later on for people?
Yeah, so this is inspired by M0PCF's video on YouTube.
Cool.
Which is he made a multifunctional, so a packable 2s and 70s antenna. But this was just a quick idea. I'll just unclip this so we can see what's going on. So I've got another one of these that just does 2 meters, and from a failed attempt at making a Yagi. That was the driven. Well, I've got one in my garage at home.
Okay.
So basically, I had a driven element and then a T coming off there with a reflector on the back, and then some directors at the front. But I couldn't get it to work, so that's some aluminium tubing. It works perfectly for 2 meters as a dipole, and you can use it either vertically, like that, or horizontal, like that. So if you want to do some SSP. So I've been doing some work out and about, and I thought it'd be great to take one with me, lightweight thing. I could have it on a speaker stand or a camera stand.
Makes sense,
yeah. Like a tripod. So using Paul's ideas to have like all I've done to have 2s and 70s. So there's a chocolate block connector in there, and so coming off the end of the coax, I've got a length of wire that's cut for 70 centimeters. And on the opposite side, a length of wire cut for 2 meters. I've got a little bit of trimming to do. It's running at about 1 to 1.9 on SW at the moment on 2s. So with a bit of trimming and a bit more time, I could probably get it down a bit further. But my intention is to maybe run the cable inside and have some elastic, and we can cut these a little bit and have some elastic to keep it taut, and then I can just pop those out of the junction box there and fold it back on itself. And then pack it into a rucksack or like a fishing bag or something like that. But I've cycled down here today and I've had it strapped all to my frame like that alongside it, and packed slung the M1 ECC slide winder, which I'm in the process of setting up. That goes into a nice what is it, badminton racket case. And,
utilise everything.
Yeah,
great. Exactly. Yeah. Thank you.
That's it.
Thank you. M0 Golf Echo Tango, M0 Golf Echo Tango, QRP station calling CQ on 10, calling CQ on 10. Mike 0 Golf Echo Tango, CQ10, CQ10, CQ10. Listening any calls. Mike 0 Golf Echo Tango, QRP station.
001, Roger.
Mike 0 Golf Echo Tango, QRP station.
Roger, thank you. QZ Lima Yankee 2, Oscar United.
Mike 0 Golf Echo Tango, QRP station.
The portable station again.
Mike 0 Golf Echo Tango, Mike 0 Golf Echo Tango, QRP.
2, Oscar United. Again.